I grew my brows out for you guys. Like, look. It's a mess.
Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her.
Hi guys, it's Itsmeabae. Welcome back to my channel. You know the usual. Do I have to say the usual? I should. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. My eyebrows are a hot mess, and I know some of us are still in quarantine. Some of us may not be in quarantine, and our eyebrows look like a forest. So today I'm here to show you guys my method of doing my eyebrows. I haven't had my eyebrows done by somebody else for quite some time. I'm big on DIY basically. I like to learn to do things for myself through YouTube, through trial and error, whatever it may be. So I'm gonna show you all how I do it too. What I'm gonna use for this video, my beautiful mirror from my friend. Thanks, friend. A white pencil, just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Now usually I don't draw on my eyebrow because I'm accustomed to doing it, but I'm going to use a pencil for beginners basically. A spoolie, a brush. It doesn't matter what type of brush it is. You can use any brush that you think you're comfortable with. I'm using a small brush, a small tipped brush. Alright, I'm using Veet hair remover. I'm using my favorite baby wipes from Dove. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna draw all the shape of my eyebrow that I want it to be. So obviously I have a lot of new growth, right? I'm just gonna draw the shape that my eyebrow should be. So I'm going to do one side like this so you guys can see. Let me just come a bit closer. Right, I'm going to do the other side freehand because I'm a pro. Just kidding, I'm not a pro, but I'm accustomed to doing my eyebrows for myself. Take some Veet on my brush. Just a little to start with because remember, you're a beginner, you're now learning, so you don't want to put too much. I started with this amount on my brush. Now what I'm going to do, I am applying the hair remover cream to the hairs that I don't want. Because it's hair remover cream. And I don't literally like press it into my skin. I just dab, lightly dab. Don't press, please. And you don't want to leave it on for too long because they say that this is not for your face, but here I am using it for years. There we have it, guys. My brow. So what I usually do, I do both sides. By the time I'm done doing this side should be good. So let me see how fast I can do the other side. I forgot a huge step. I forgot to brush my brows. Like what? Sorry guys, you're supposed to brush your brows into place. Like sis, what are you teaching the people? I am so sorry guys, I really did forget that step. I was so excited to start. if you make a mistake per se in where you apply the hair remover, just quickly wipe it off. Don't leave it to sit. Wipe it off as soon as possible. I'm done. I look crazy. That's okay, because when I'm done, I'm gonna look bomb. Okay. Okay. Now this side is starting to tingle a bit, but I'll leave it on for like a minute more before I take it off. Okay, so it has been about 3 to 5 minutes with the cream on this eyebrow. So now I'm gonna take a wipe and wipe it up. I'm gonna start wiping where I first apply the cream because it makes sense. So you guys can see that the hair actually came off. Let me come closer so you guys can literally see my eyebrow. Just gonna get my spoolie so I can comb my eyebrows, brush my eyebrows into place. And if I like see that some like a hair or two didn't come out, I'll just go back in with my tweezer. Do not go back in with more hair remover cream, please, y'all. You'll burn your face. Now for the next side. Let me just show you guys the wipe. So I'm finally done. Let me give you a closer view. Let me just dim my light a bit. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments down below of your video suggestions. If you like the video, if you're gonna try it, if you tried it, if it failed, if it succeeded. Thank you guys so much. Bye. See you in my next video. Peace.